I like how you did the mirrors too, so you can see the reflection of everything. That looks really good. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Less subs. And it still feels louder.
It's 9 now.
It is? Okay.
It dropped down to 9.
So you went from 12 to 9. Do you think you're louder, you gained it all, or were you feeling it?
Well, I shrunk the cell chambers, went down 3, and it's gained a little bit.
Okay.
With the, I don't know what it does on the meter right now. When we had the 1212s, it did a 60, so 160, 35 at 29.
29?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the best score that I've seen out of it.
And it's brutally built for demoing, so it's not going to be the best on the meter, but
it's brutal.
Yeah, it's still brutal, yeah, for sure. I like how you did the mirrors too, so you can see the reflection of everything. That looks really good. Wow. How much power right now are you running?
It's still on the 12.5Ks.
12.5Ks, okay.
Yeah. They're wired at 133 piece.
1.3? Oh, so not even wired down yet? Okay. Wow, I didn't know that.
Wired at 1.3.
Okay. On how much electrical?
300 amp hour limitless.
Okay.
And a 45 amp hour for the highs and mids.
Okay. Alright. Awesome. I'm gonna go check out your alternator and amps. Appreciate the demo, man. What was your name?
Gary.
Gary. Thanks, Gary. Woo! Oh, nice doors. This thing is windy, man. That low note kicks in and it's like brutal.
Cause I'ma sit out snowman. And they ain't no diss to Jesus. Cause Jesus know what's up, believe me. That's my till I die, dog. All in return. Niggas ain't know me dead. Always that lift you with the grind. Shorty bending over the plan. Got the pussy jumping over ham on it. snowman. Cause in my city I was snowman. And they ain't no diss to Jesus. Cause Jesus know what's up, believe me. That's my what? I'ma know I'm every nigga till I die. Till the day I die. They swarm down, niggas ain't on me. Boys that lift you out the ground. Shorty been over. I just push the top and go the ham on it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.